us putting a bind on it.
I found it. It ain't going in the square?
No, it's not. Hang on. Because it's such a tight.
Hmm?
I need.
Brandy needs help. Y'all hang on. Well, it looked like it started. It started.
There it goes. Put that up, Autumn, and bring me those.
So, guys,
No, put that up.
only gets the back two bolts because they have a hinge
Now
here
do this.
and it's spring loaded. And it locks down. So, that's all it is to that part.
So now it's time for the tires.
Tire time, huh? Who's the tire man?
Come on, tire man. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Bless you. Bless
Give
you.
me another tire. Thank you. You're a good helper. Yeah. We need to put another one on. Right there. Give me another one. Good job.
It's so big.
Good job. That's big.
It's so heavy. Wow, get that
Well,
done.
oh, she's doing it, putting the washer and cotter key on it, I guess.
How
Yep.
does that work?
You have to bend it. Slip it in the hole and bend it. I'll have to find some pliers or something.
Oh, it goes like that? It don't clip on like
No.
the hitches?
No,
Oh, okay.
it's a cotter key in it. Yep.
I have no idea.
Get the pliers.
Watch it, Autumn. They're not ready yet. You might knock them off by doing that. Move baby cakes. There. Now leave that alone. So he's going to fix this now.
Back if I had more daylight, I guess.
I never would have known that. I would have been trying to pop it on. Like you do the hitch key. That's too funny. Watch out, monkey.
all you have to do. Just grab that long one in the middle.
Okay, hold that. Let me get the last piece.
Last piece. That's pretty easy.
Okay, we gotta turn it over. What
Move.
is this?
I'm gonna turn it over.
You gotta figure out what these are.
They came off of the Spindle
Oh.
protectors.
Oh, okay. Alright. Move, baby cakes. Oh, wow. That's heavy.
Holy mackerel! Did she say that?
It's too big. Big wagon.
Hang on, baby. Mommy's got
Oh, a berry wagon, huh? That's a mule train. Look, I can build you a cover to go over it
Oh.
like a covered wagon, huh? Now this tongue is for the pull for lawnmowers too. Come on. Wanna get in? Come on. There.
I like it wagon.
Yep.
You like it?
We had all that rain today. You can't go riding now. Had to wait till tomorrow.
You like it, monkey?
It rained real good here today, guys. Praise the Lord. We needed it.
Yes, we did. Sit down, monkey.
And trying to get the bolt in.
Whoa, it's big. Wagon. Big wagon. Big wagon.
Yes, a wagon.
It's too big wagon. It's too big. It's too big.
What's the drill? Oh.
I think I need a bigger one. Need a bigger socket.
This one bigger?
But no. Gotta go. She already mixed the sockets all up.
Yeah.
So.
This one looks bigger, though.
Big color.
This is the 17. What is that?
16. 18.
Try that. Yep. That'll work.
14. 15.
Where them pliers at?
Right here. There you go.
Got to hold it back up on it.
16. 13.
Big.
Okay. I got it.
That's all we want. Now, let me demonstrate this to them now.
I'm walking on the wagon. Oh, wow. Big wagon.
I don't know what
It's
that's.
big wagon. It's a big wagon.
This.
It's a big wagon. It's a big wagon.
It spins around. You put your pins back in it. You get the idea, and this fastens to your lawnmower.
Oh, wow.
If you're pulling by hand, you just leave it. Take the pin back out and spin it around to pull by hand.
Well, that's pretty nifty.
So I'll leave it by hand right now.
Yep, just work it by hand.
That's just the extra one. When you spin it around, you put both of them in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, let's start.
Do you like it?
I like it. It's so big. It's so big.
You ready to ride?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Ain't got no room in the house, but we'll try.
God, that is big.
I hope it fits out the door. Well, we ain't got this room cleaned out yet, so.
There's the end of the ride.
Back up.
Beep, beep, beep.
No, we can't go outside right now.
No, it's wet outside, baby. You can't go outside right now.
Can we dump her?
Hey.
I'll get her out and I'll demonstrate the dump.
Okay.
Get out for a minute.
Come here, Mark. Oh. Okay.
Okay, guys, so you got full of sand, you want to dump it. Gotta pull that right there and dump it.
There you go. It goes all the way down to the ground, too.
Yeah.
That's good. Not a bad deal for how much, hon?
147 plus tax.
147 plus tax.
And it lies back.
And it is called a Gorilla Cart.
1,200 pounds.
12. So you know what? Me, Charlie, and Autumn all can get in that and ride in it at one time. Oh, look.
Let's go. Homie. Up. Oh. Look at that. It don't take much to pull. She can pull me. Shut up. Push back.
Push it. Just push on it. Push. Don't
Push.
pull. Push. There you go.
It rolls real easy, huh? If she can push me, you know this thing's gotta work right. And this is not paid sponsor, so
No, this is not a paid sponsor.
just something we've been needing for a long time. And she's got something to play with now.
Yep.
Yep, it would ride all of us. So what do y'all think? I like it.
I don't want to sit down in it. I'll let you sit down in it.
Say, get in, Mama. Get in. Don't be what?
Watch your fingers.
Don't be no fun. Have fun.
Watch out, Penny. Yay! Whee!
It's outside.
No, we can't go outside.
That's enough.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run
Mama's
over
into
everything.
everything.
She wants her blanket.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Well,
Wait. Come here.
well, that's Pafford Homestead. Another review on a product that we bought. It's not paid. So,
Make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. If you have any comments, leave them below.
give it a thumbs up.
Give us
Mama.
thumbs up, Autumn.
Thumbs up.
Ouch. She hit my
Do it again.
Just up.
thumbs up.
Bye, y'all.